Have you ever found yourself struggling to create engaging presentations under tight deadlines? What if I told you there's a seamless way to craft PowerPoint presentations using AI, saving you time and effort while delivering top-notch results? Well, buckle up, because today I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process for creating presentations using AI. To start, we'll be using a tool called Gamma AI. It's an innovative platform designed specifically to help you create professional presentations effortlessly. Click the link in the description to access Gamma AI. Once there, the first step is to create an account. It's free and quick. Simply click Sign up for free, sign in with your Google account, and create your workspace. That's it. You're ready to go. Once your account is set up, it's time to create your presentation. Gamma AI offers 3 methods: paste in text, paste your notes or an outline, and let AI generate a presentation for you. Generate from scratch, provide just 1 sentence, and the AI will do the rest. Enhance existing files. Upload a presentation or document, and AI will make it better. For this demo, I'll use the paste in text method. Here's how it works. Copy your notes or outline, paste them into Gamma AI and choose Presentation as the format, hit Continue, and you'll move on to the settings page. Now let's fine-tune the settings. Content style, choose whether you want AI to generate, condense, or preserve your content. For this example, I'll select Generate. Content. Depth. Decide how detailed the slides should be. You can choose from brief, bullet points, medium, clear and concise, or detailed, in-depth. I'll go with medium. Audience and tone. Select the audience type and tone of your presentation. You can leave it as default or customize it. Language. Gamma AI supports over 20 languages, so pick the one you prefer. I'll stick with English. Images. Choose whether to use web-sourced images or generate unique ones with AI. I'll use web images for this presentation. Number of slides. Gamma AI allows up to 9 slides for free. Once these settings are complete, click Continue. Gamma AI offers a range of designs to choose from. Pick one that suits your needs and click Generate. In just moments, your presentation will be ready. Gamma AI automatically creates the content, formats it, and even adds relevant images. You'll get a polished, professional-looking presentation in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Your feedback and suggestions help us create more content that you'll love. Thanks for watching.